Welcome to my shed. Come in. In today's gear review, we're going to talk about tents, and more specifically tents for winter. So we've got the Mountain 25 on this side and the Assault 2 on this side. As you can see, the Assault 2 is really compact, great to put in your backpack and go for a mission where you're going to be hiking a lot. And the Mountain 25 is a lot more sturdy, but it takes more volume, so you might take it only more in a mission where you don't need to travel too much with it. So we've got here the big beast with the double wall. You can see there's a lot more volume to it. Both tents are for 2 people. This one, you can see that you can stay longer. It's got a big vestibule. It's a 4-season tent. It will hold in any terrain, any kind of conditions, any storm. The Assault 2, so you can see it's a lot more minimal, a lot thinner. It's got the height so that you can be seated, but it's still, you're not gonna want to spend weeks and weeks in there. As well, carbon fiber poles to make it really light. So it's kind of quite the bomb if you want to be fast and light. So that's the Assault 2 with the vestibule. And now this is it without the vestibule. So you can see, pretty compact. It's a narrow, high tent, perfect for heavy metal missions. If you're out on an expedition, it's nice if you can have a little bit of a repair tape so that you can do a quick fix on any little tears and avoid it getting worse. And then when you get home, you can make a proper sealed repair. So if you want to know all the technical details that go around winter camping, which are a lot, all the tips and tricks, feel free to watch my How to Camp in Winter episode. It's on my YouTube channel with the rest. I hope that you get the chance to go out there and discover winter camping, because it's truly magical and it allows you to live incredible adventures.